Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where and how to check our memory storage on Huawei P60 Pro phone. To check our storage memory, we have to go to the settings option. Next we have to search for about the phone option. It's always at the bottom here, about phone. And here we have every spec available. Our internal storage is here, 256 GB total. We have all the specs, all the parameters here in this about the phone section. Here, that is basically it. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.